What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech. Today we're going to have a look at this Vivo VM40, and I think we got VM41s. This thing has been used, VM40B. Yes, these things have been used quite a bit in our production areas, and they serve us pretty well. A lot of them do die pretty quickly. And in this video, I'm upgrading it to, well, I don't want to give it any more than 4 gigs of RAM, honestly. I could give it more. I really don't think it'll do much because I got an SSD, and the swap file seems to take care of everything else. If I put another stick of RAM in there, I worry about overheating this thing. They do run pretty hot. The power supply does come secondarily, and honestly, I have had quite a few problems with the power supply. I bought about 125 of these for a place, and man, I can't tell you how many of them I had mess up on me out of the box, which is unfortunate, but the price point was excellent. You can't beat the price point. So many times, can't tell you how often I have to come here, press that button, and just feel. You hear that? It's moving. So once again, this thing came with 4 gigs of RAM, 500 gigs platter drive, 250, and I got a 250 gig solid state drive in here. Let's do a benchmark and see how these things go these days. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's get this sucker started. Alright, we got the planes actually working this time. Let me knock up so you can see the graphics. See this floating trees. Not sure it's going to be able to handle this benchmark. There we go. Alright, and here's the score, 887. That's like nothing. I'm surprised anyone can do anything with this. Man, I would have thought it would have been better when I slapped that new SSD in it. But, hey, for production, just making tags, not bad, not bad. Anyways, this is it for me, Nev from Nev's Tech. But have a good one, folks. Take care of each other.